Hey everybody, let's make some bread. Get your ingredients: flour, yeast, water, salt, sugar, butter. Let's go! Step 1, let's gather all we need. This recipe for bread is a tasty deed. Let's measure the flour, water, and yeast. Put it in the bowl, wait 10 minutes at least. Now shake your hands. Shakey bakey hands. Shake your hands like a couple of pans. Shakey bakey hands. Step 2, the dough is nice and fluffy. Add more flour, it's gonna be so yummy. It's time to mix, knead the dough. Let's shake our heads and get ready, let's go. We'll shake your head. Shakey bakey head. Shake your head like it's full of bread. Shakey bakey head. Step 3, we gotta let it rise and grow. Cover with a towel the tasty dough. Waiting on your counter, it will expand. While we wait, let's shake our hands. Now shake your hands. Shakey bakey hands. Shake your hands like a couple of pans. Shakey bakey hands. What do we do now? Oh, we have to put it someplace really hot. Where? The oven! Step 4, preheat the oven high. Turn up the heat to 375. Place the bread right on the tray. Put it in the oven and now let's play. You shake your head. Shakey bakey head. Shake your head like it's full of bread. Shakey bakey head. Now let's take the bread out of the oven and it's all done. Smells good. Let's slice it up.